look at this one. It's huge. It's I don't want to move too much because my camera keeps losing focus. I think because everything's so white, it's not got anything to focus on, so it's blurring in and out, so I do apologise, but I need to show you all the way around. So we've got 3 tiers in this sheer plain white. Just screams wedding, doesn't it? And then it's trimmed with ribbon to match the wedding theme colours, to match the bridesmaids' dresses. Again, the brown dot, the grey dot is on my camera, not on the cake. Still haven't got a new phone. I'm working on it. A few more wedding cakes and I should be there. So yeah, this is a huge 3-tier. It's 10-inch base, 8-inch middle and 6-inch top. Bottom is lemon, middle is chocolate, top is Victoria. This was a challenge. This really was a challenge because with it being so white and clean and crisp with no decoration, there is absolutely nowhere to hide if you mess up. And if you're a cake maker, you know there's lots of messing up to be done when doing cakes. There are 1 or 2 little bits that I'm not happy with, but every cake maker will say the same, you know, to everybody else. They're like, oh wow, that's perfect. But there are just 1 or 2 little bits where I rushed a little and I shouldn't have done. My advice to anyone doing a cake like this and wanting to achieve an effect like this is just take your time, honestly. Really think about what you're doing, especially with a plain white one like this, because there's nowhere to hide, and you won't regret taking your time with them. So I will be transporting this to the venue disassembled. So the top tier will be going separately, and then the middle and the bottom together. So they're stuck together with royal icing. The base has got dowels in it, which then the middle tier sit on top of. So in the middle tier, there's that's on a cake card, decorated and made on a cake card, so that when you put your dowels in the bottom, that cake just sits on top of the dowels and not the cake, because it would squash it. And then the middle tier also does have dowels in it, so that the top tier can sit on that again. But that's not stuck on, as I say, because I'm travelling with that separately. So this is the worst bit. The bit before you're travelling, making sure you've got everything, making sure that you remember to drive at least 2-3 miles an hour, no more. But let's hope it gets there in one piece. It should do. It's ganached, so it's a lot sturdier than buttercream. It was decorated last night and stacked last night, so it's had a full, I'd say about 8 hours to sit and set up, so that you know your sugar paste is firm, your ganache is firm, it's all firm. The royal icing's set, because you wouldn't want to be transporting something like this if you just decorated it, because everything's still a bit squishy and soft. So wish me luck. Hopefully I'll get some really nice pictures at the venue. It's a really picturesque venue this one's going to. I just love the effect of it, you know, the plain white. It just screams wedding. As I say, there's no decoration on this, nowhere to hide. The bride actually does have a personalised topper to go on top, so I will get some pictures which I'll post on my Facebook and Instagram. That's Puddington's Cupcakes on both, or Puddington's on Facebook I think, and Puddington's Cupcakes on Instagram. So go and have a look. I'll post some pictures there later. I was very nervous about doing this one. I've done all plain white cakes before, but just for birthday celebrations, not a big special event like a wedding. You know, someone's very important day, so there's a lot of weight on my shoulders doing this cake, but you know, take your time, believe in yourself, practice, practice, practice. If something goes wrong, you don't like it, just do it again, make time. Yep, big sigh of relief, but not a sigh of ultimate relief just yet, because I've got to deliver it.